Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we've got some tyres from Hutchinson, some Challenger tyres. These are sort of all-round, all-year endurance tyres. These are 28mm version. They're sort of fairly new, depending on when you watch this video. Dual compound, so you've got like a harder section in the middle, so you get good wear and tear out of it, lasts longer, and then on the edges you have more of a soft, tacky, grippy, so when you're cornering you've got that extra confidence when you go railing those corners. It's also called hard shield, so it's got an extra reinforcement so to keep the punches out. Interestingly, they say as a tubeless, and obviously for tubeless you tend to use sealant. They recommend for the first 1,000 kilometres that you don't need sealant. They're so confident that you won't puncture. They said, don't worry, don't need sealant. First 1,000 kilometres, you're going to be absolutely fine. After that, then yeah, you might want to put some sealant in. So that's Hutchinson being very, very confident in their product there. What else can I tell you about it? Well, it's got a little note here about for hookless rims. It says for hookless rim compatibility, refer to rim manufacturer. So I assume that means for some rims, some hookless rims, these will be compatible. How easy that information is going to be to get, I'm not sure. It depends on the rim and the tyre manufacturers speaking together and letting us, the buyers, know. But let's have a look at what the actual tyres like. Obviously we've got a pair. Plain black. I don't know if any other colours are available, but I prefer black. Just goes with everything. Weights, I'll put some weights up. I don't know if they've put weights on the tyre. Let's have a quick look on the box rather. They're 127 TPI, which is sort of fairly standard. No weights on the box. I'll weigh them for you and let you know what they are. They feel like a good, strong, heavyweight tyre. This is not going to be a racing tyre. This is going to be something you'll be riding every day, and you're going to be confident that you're not going to be stuck on the side of the road fishing out your pump and your tyre levers to sort it out. It's got a very slight pattern on it, nothing major. Some slight sort of siping, the little side channels that take the water away. It has got a bead on the edges of the tyre, so it should work with normal clincher tyres. Inside is very clean, no mark, no sort of, yeah, it looks very solid, and it looks a nice, well-made tyre. The branding, very subtle, just a very light Hutchinson Challenger in sort of light grey, maybe a bit of white. Only one, so make sure that lines up with your valve. Don't want to get that wrong, do you? So we'll be trying those out. Like I said, I'll put some weights up in the preview, let you know what they are. They definitely don't feel like super lightweight tyres, so you won't be using them for racing. Well, unless you're racing or maybe you have something really unpleasant. We'll see how they'll cope. Yeah, 28mm Challenger TLR. I suppose you could call them sort of do everything tyres. They're going to be able to deal with anything, especially that claim that you can go 1,000 kilometres and not worry about putting any sealant in. That's quite impressive. Just checking if there's anything unusual. And you've got the usual rotation marks, minimum maximum pressures, and for hookless rims compatibility, refer to manufacturer site. Yeah, so they might work, but you'd have to check the rim manufacturer first to see what they say. So there you go, the Hutchinson Challenger. We've got those in a 700 by 28. We'll see how they do over the winter. Hopefully they'll keep me going. I'll put a preview up, put some weights on, let you know how they come up on the scales. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.